your man B-O-B and Wink, Superbikes in the Hood, 2008.
There's only one name that's bigger than yours, and that's WINK1100. Yeah, WINK1100. I gotta put the beats on you, Jay. I'ma put the hammers. I'ma put the beats on your Wheelies. That's what I'ma do on your gas tank, Jason Britton. It's a wrap for you, Jason. This ain't no 600. Excuse me, Mr. Jason Britton, can I speak to your man for a minute? Do you mind? Oh, I thought so. Kane, your Wheelies make me sick. How dare you say New York is a bunch of zippy tie riders, Kane? How could you commit suicide like that? When I'm finished with you, son, you're gonna be riding pocket bikes on Nickelodeon. Woo! I got another one for you, Kane. You ready? I can smell your Wheelies, Kane. Let me send you a shirt. The shirt says, Kawasaki Kane, the stomach pain. Psst. Yo, Kane. They didn't tell you? I make 60,000 in one night, stupid. Get that shit out of here. I'ma smack a KX60 out of you, nigga. When I see you, I'ma put the beats. The hammers, kid. The hammers on your Wheelies. Woo, 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 woo. Pull it over, you dumpsters. I'm looking for a dude named Jason Britton. You see him, you tell him Wink. Wink wants him for questioning. And if I catch his little man Kane, he gets terminated on sight. Keep doing them garbage wheelies. Woo! Woo! Woo!
It's your man B.O.B. Big Blocks right here. We looking for Seal, aka Jason Britton. If you seen Seal around.